Sister Locs community. No, not Sister Locs, not Sister Locs. Let's talk about the reasons why I decided to lock my hair. One, I just wanted hair freedom. Two, I wanted my hair to stop shedding. And three, I just wanted to stop the whole complaining of my hair and the time spent on detangling, washing, pretty much just going through that whole wash day routine. MICROLOCS or DIY MICROLOCS is definitely my final alternative. I definitely chose MICROLOCS so that I can be more versatile with my styles. I can do all kinds of different things with it. It will just pretty much act as if my hair is loose natural, but obviously without the combing. So definitely was influenced by my mom. I was also influenced by Natural Ghana Girl. Mimi Abdul is also one of my inspirations, and Queen Aleem, she's also one of them as well. I mean, there's a whole lot of people. Penny Queen, there's a whole lot of YouTubers that have MICROLOCS that I follow and I binge watched before I decided to, you know, go ahead and make this decision. My hair just feels like my loose natural. Like, there's no difference. Obviously, the only difference is, you know, when I touch the scalp, it's a little grainy, and, you know, it just feels like knots that needs to be combed out. It just feels like you haven't combed your hair in a very long time and you just need to just get it all smooth. But I don't need to do that because, you know what? I have a lot of things going on. Look. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. This is my YouTube baby. This is Olivia's hair. Olivia has a lot of hair. Mama just don't have time to work on hers, okay? So Sister Locs, no, not Sister Locs. So these are not Sister Locs. MICROLOCS, DIY MICROLOCS. It's just a blessing in disguise. Okay, you're thinking of locking your hair, let me be your inspiration. Go for it. Watch a lot of videos. But anyways, I just wanted to come on, rant, let you guys know that we have joined the Sister Locs community. Ooh. No, not Sister Locs, not Sister Locs. We have joined the MICROLOCS community. Do it yourself MICROLOCS. This video was just to kind of introduce my journey to you guys. You can see that I have a lot of shrinkage going on right now. I'm overall just really happy with my decision to lock my hair, guys. I even had to put on lashes for you guys just to complete this video. I didn't have to. So your girl is locked up. You guys have to stay tuned for more videos on my locks and all that kind of good stuff when it comes to locking. But I am new to the community now, so hi, I'm here. Definitely subscribe to this channel for more updates on my locks, and that's about it. So if you're deciding to lock your hair, please go ahead. The best decision ever. Guys, come back soon and enjoy my journey. Bye. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you ever think of locking your hair. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.